Sandeep ji, let's play Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa. Very nice. Now you observe he has a major problem of hissing sound that you all can hear it. So in this video you will understand lot of common problem where all of flute players starting time all we face. He also face the same. Now Sandeep ji, squeeze your lips, little sa ni dha bass part. Very nice. Couple of times let's do this. Relax and let's do this one more time. Blowing little harder, harsh blow. That time sound was so loud and his blow is giving a low total airy, but he knows very well when he reduce his blow that you can also heard it, then his quality of the sound is improved. So bass pa ke liye, for bass pa you need very less air, very less. Do not give harsh blow. Chalo, let's sa ni dha pa pa dha ni sa. Excellent. Now after that, can we do this? You can compare with this playing and Sandeep ji's playing, then you can understand where you need to improve. What is the sound quality? It will be now this neck again we will practice with. Okay. Pa pa. Your first practice, what I did, he is playing sa ni dha pa, then pa pa dha ta ni ni sa sa. By doing that, your mouth and the pressure will be, understand. You can understand what pressure you should give to achieve this. So actually it will be. Okay, now we will go to ma pa. Now play ga ma pa. Is a major problem. He is blowing each and every blow. Ma, ga, ma, pa. Initially all we do that, but we will go the next time. I am asking him to blow without cut his blow. Ga, ma, pa without cut. Ga, ma, pa. Pa, ma, ga. Everyone, look at his finger positions. Now you observe, he is holding this hand, so which is not good. Now he is observe. I hope you have observed his playing. Otherwise, you can rewind it and you can see the major problem is he is holding these two fingers when he is playing ma pa. Don't do this. This is a very big mistake. If we do so, the sound will be not correct. So when you can keep these finger, but don't keep these finger. See? And if you play, both are not equal. Have you seen the notes changing? Ga without by opening this finger, ga by closing these fingers are not at all equal. So use when you play pa, by that time you should open all the fingers. Now our practice will be next. Pa, ma, ga, ma. आराम से blow. No, try to open these fingers. Only you can keep this finger, not this. Now pa ma ga ma pa ma re ga pa ma sa re pa ma ni sa pa ma dha ni pa ma pa dha. Where is the pa ma will be common? Pa ma ga ma pa ma re ga pa ma sa re pa ma ni sa pa ma dha ni pa ma pa dha. Now do this shadow practice couple of times. Sandeep ji, I am saying you open and close the fingers. Pa ma ga ma. Many of us we do the same mistakes, but that is the reason I want to display where we do improve. So this is a mistake. This knee and this knee are not equal. When I am playing knee, have you seen? So there is a tone if you play. Halka change, like it will be